Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by validating local links because most page errors come from simple network breaks. Check cables and Wi-Fi LEDs, then open a terminal and ping your router to confirm your device reaches the gateway. Once done, temporarily disable VPNs or proxies. These often intercept requests and cause the page to fail. If ping works, proceed. If not, reboot modem and router, wait 1 minute, and retest connectivity before moving to DNS or browser steps. Next, you narrow the problem to name resolution and client state. Flush your DNS cache to remove stale records, then set a reliable public DNS like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass ISP DNS issues. Once changed, restart the browser and use incognito mode to rule out extensions or cached errors. Also try a different browser or device on the same network to see if the issue is local to one client. If pages load elsewhere, finish by resetting stubborn networking layers that survive reboots. Run the built-in network troubleshooter or execute a TCP/IP and WinSock reset. This clears corrupted protocol settings. Once complete, restart the computer and router together, then test the page again. If the page still can't be displayed, inspect firewall rules, parental controls, or router access blocks. Make sure the site isn't blacklisted. Key troubleshooting tip: if multiple devices fail, call your ISP to check for upstream outages before replacing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.